Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the top 8 exercises that will help you shed those extra pounds and get fit. We're talking high energy, we're talking fun, and most importantly, we're talking effective. So grab your water bottle, put on your trainers, and get ready to smash it with me. Remember guys, this is about feeling good, getting stronger, and becoming the best versions of ourselves. Are you ready? Let's do this!
First up, we've got the mighty burpee. This exercise is a full-body blast that'll get your heart pumping and those calories melting away. Start standing, squat down, kick your feet back into a plank, do a push-up, jump your feet back in, and explode upwards in a jump. Boom! 1 burpee down. Remember, form is key, so keep your core engaged and back straight. Don't be afraid to modify it if you need to. We're all about progress, not perfection. Now let's smash out 10 burpees together. Ready, set, go! Next up, it's time to get our groove on with some jumping jacks. This classic exercise is a fantastic way to target multiple muscle groups at once. Stand with your feet together, arms by your sides. Jump your feet out while simultaneously raising your arms overhead. Jump back to the starting position. Easy peasy. Jumping jacks are all about that rhythm, so find a beat that works for you and let's get moving. Aim for 20 reps and remember to keep breathing. You got this. Now we're heading to the mountains, no equipment needed. Mountain climbers are a killer core workout that'll also get your heart rate up. Start in a high plank position, shoulders over wrists, core engaged. Now drive one knee up towards your chest, then quickly switch legs like you're running in place. Keep your core tight and back flat. This exercise is all about speed and control, so find a pace you can maintain while keeping good form. Let's aim for 30 seconds of mountain climbers. You can do it! Chapter 4. Bodyweight Squats Strength Training Superhero. It's time to build some serious strength with bodyweight squats. This exercise is perfect for beginners and targets those leg and glute muscles. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly pointed out. Keeping your back straight and core engaged, lower yourself down as if you're sitting back into a chair. Make sure your knees track over your toes. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Aim for 12 to 15 reps and remember, quality over quantity. Chapter 5. Run, forest, run, or jog. Lace up those trainers, it's time to hit the pavement. Running or jogging is a fantastic cardio workout that'll torch calories and improve your cardiovascular health. Find a pace that works for you, whether it's a light jog or a faster run. Remember to focus on your breathing and posture. If you're new to running, start with shorter intervals and gradually increase your distance over time. Even 10 minutes of running can make a big difference. Chapter 6. Yoga Find Your Flow. Time to slow things down and find our zen with some yoga. Yoga is an amazing way to improve flexibility, strength, and mindfulness. From downward dog to warrior pose, there are countless poses to explore. Focus on your breath and moving with intention. Yoga is a journey, not a destination, so be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. Chapter 7. Push-ups. Power up. Let's build some upper body strength with push-ups. This classic exercise targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start in a high plank position, hands shoulder-width apart. Lower your body down towards the ground, keeping your elbows close to your body. Push back up to the starting position. Modify the exercise by doing them against a wall or on your knees if needed. Aim for 8 to 10 reps, and remember, you've got this. Chapter 8. Dance it out. Last but not least, let's crank up the music and dance it out. Dancing is such a fun and effective way to burn calories and let loose. Put on your favorite tunes and move your body. Whether it's salsa, hip-hop, or just freestyling in your living room, let go of any inhibitions and have a blast. Remember, exercise should be enjoyable, so find what moves you and get grooving. There you have it, folks. Incorporate these exercises into your routine, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, fitter you. Don't forget to listen to your body, stay hydrated, and most importantly, have fun. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a race. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Now get out there, smash your goals, and show yourself what you're truly capable of. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for more fitness tips and workouts. Keep moving and stay positive.